Hello, this is the tour of my newly cleaned studio. I'm starting from the stairs where you climb up. That was one of two flights of those ladder stairs. And then here we go through the hall. I hope you're not gonna get dizzy from this. Down the catwalk into the door of my studio. And all clean. I made a work table here with a cutting mat, little place to hang my coats and aprons. Got a nice new green carpet in front of the couch. My tabaret, I guess, it's a big kitchen block table, which is working really well. What I'm working on, my lighting, the unlimited headspace. There's the couch and the rug. I'm liking that little setup, though it's going to get filthy. All the paintings done and in progress. What's on the easel, and these two big guys, which are also in progress right now. So it's time to get back to work.